That's a big spider.
Where?
Inside, well, not really. Medium sized.
You want me to make them abandoned ship?
What's up?
You want me to make them abandoned ship?
Sure. I'm just trying to figure out how we should do this. Need to start bringing my voltage meter. Leave it in the tool bag.
Oh, yeah, that actually be fucking out.
Yeah. All right, well, breaker's off, so I'm gonna go ahead and trust it.
If anyone dies, you're gonna be rich. Besides the man who died.
Where's the other red big case?
Look at the color.
That's some shit he's into.
You know what type of stuff is that? I'm just in the vitamin and that. I got a piss.
Got it. There you go. One more. Whoa.
As long as rotten wood's when I let it go, like when it's untreated.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, we tried.
Dude, we got a lot done. We really did. Almost all the walls are bolted off.
An hour and a half worth of work on there.
I know.
Yeah, bro. Well, shit happens, right?
Yeah.
That's contracting work.
If it was drizzling like it was earlier, I'd be fine. But this is like can't even do anything in this. I gotta unlock the door for you.
Go ahead, buddy. Come on, Dolphy. Come on.
Keystone on it.
What the fucking granny digger down that hill, son.
Oh, you need something else out of here?
No, I'm just locking it.
Alright, that's in.
Oh, you got it. Okay. Well, shit, dude.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass, but here's the thing. We can do this job in one day. So.
Yeah. I allotted 2 days because I didn't know how much stuff was inside the house.
Yeah, there's like nothing in the house.
So,
Well,
there's my chatty. All right, no more rain. You want to go ahead and get these sides off?
we can size off like.
Yeah, let's do that just so we can cut everything easier.
Yeah.
Jolene, caffeine, nicotine.
But yeah, let's get the inside done. We'll reprioritize that.
Okay.
And there's also, like I said, there's that dishwasher and the range hood thing.
Yeah.
Gotta get out of there too.
Okay. Alrighty. I'll. They're still here, so I'll walk down there and tell them.
Cool.
Cool. All right, buddy.
I appreciate it.
All right. Bye.
Take care.
Yo, he's gonna have us do the inside first so we can get it out of y'all's way, the carpet and all that good stuff.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You are the best, man.
Yeah, you're welcome, man. Had to stop on the shed because they wanted us to clear the inside for the painter. So, took all the carpet out, this linoleum stuff. Gotta come back and scrape it, get the glue off. I just wanted the dust out of here, I guess. So, all the carpet's gone, and it's just bare on the slab. So, back to the shed where we started. Yep, that's better. Ready. It's just spinning.
That's a nut.
Yeah. All right, I'm going up one more step. Damn. Ugh. God. That was terrible. Man, it was tall from up here, but I tell you what. I wasn't even recording. I'm glad I'm recording now. Yeah, it's ready to go. It's already coming this way.
Push or pull it with a strap?
Definitely pull it with a strap. Yeah. I fucking hope so.
There's a tree right there.
Yeah, that'll.
Caught on the tree, so if anything.
Yeah.
The worst comes to worst, you get caught on the tree. And there's another big tree right behind it too, so
Yeah.
you know. It's the only car we got though. And I don't think it's a bad one either. I think we can pull it off.
I just can't believe it's not like already just. I thought when I cut that last part right there that we would literally just push it with a finger and it would fall.
I mean, it wobbled for sure, but
That roof's just got to be heavy, dude, because of the shingles. It's the only explanation I got.
Everybody get on the screen. I'll be fine, but
Can you go a little bit lower?
try.
Bend your knees.
you want me to hold it? Travis will go at the highest point.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, damn, there she goes. Man. Hell yeah.
I told you, buddy. You guys pull this one.
That's gonna look sick on the GoPro.
Howdy.
What's up, bud?
What's up? That's one. That's one. Excuse me. Shit. There's dog shit somewhere.
There is that fucking kennel over there.
It's gotta be. I keep smelling it every time we're here. Yeah. No kidding.
Frank wasn't so much.
I'll replace this wing from. Huh? Yeah, it's almost done. Almost up. Now it's loose. Oh, snails. Hold it out.
That's what we do. Need it steady, boys.
Look at that boy work. Thought that was going right down the fucking.
I did too.
I'm so tired. Fuck.
Yeah, I thought. Alright, fellas, we loaded up. Alright, let's get out of here.